Can I ask these three people to please turn their cameras on? These three people, Abdul Rahman, Manisha, and Akif. Akif, Abdul Rahman, and Manisha, can you please turn your cameras on? Can you please turn your cameras on? Right. Akif is here. Is Manisha here? I can't see. Manisha, are you here?
I am here. Yes, I'm here.
Akif, are you here? Akif, are you here?
Yes, I'm here.
All right. Abdul, are you here?
Yes, I'm here.
All right. Now, first of all, before we start, let me introduce these two gentlemen and this young lady. They are an inspiration to all of us, including myself. They finished their CIM in the last batch. They finished their CIM at 19 years. And I hear Abdul was a few days under 19. That means 18 years when you finished CIM. So can you please unmute your mics and give them a big round of applause? Can you give them a big round of applause? Can you give them a big round of applause? All right, Abdul, can you tell us, can you inspire these uncles and aunts? Can you inspire these uncles and aunties, right? 19 years, 18 years, right? You were 18 years, my friend, 18 years.
Yes, I was 18.
So, few days, you became 19. So you finished CIM. Can you inspire us and can you give one or two important points of inspiration to these uncles and aunties?
First of all, Sir Louis did a absolutely tremendous job explaining the whole case study. He was absolutely terrific. He went through so many resources. He gave us everything. We just had to read them and, pick the best ones out and put it through our assignment. And also the amount of dedication that he went through, to get everything done and push us through with all the motivation.
Okay, Abdul, I'm going to stop you there. I don't want you to talk about me. Can you please give me 2 or 3 tips? Can you please give 2 or 3 tips for these uncles and aunts to get an A and to pass CIM really fast? Don't need to talk about me.
Yeah, I would say never underestimate yourself, because through my experience, I was almost at the point where I was going to quit because it was so tough. I was working nights and I was alone, just sitting on my bed, is marketing for me? Because I was severely underestimating myself. But then I kept pushing on. I kept, working bit by bit, and then I managed to push through and I got a merit, and I'm really, really happy with what I got. I'm so proud because I was at the point where I was at my lowest. So you guys can do it too. You guys have the potential. You guys can push it through. You have 2 months, you can do it, guys.
All right. Azir Abdul Rahman, we are very proud of you at Cambridge College. Shall we get the lady now? Manisha, 19 years, right? 19 years. What an achievement. You finished CIM at 19 years. It's just amazing. And you must be feeling the rose among the 2 thorns today. Can you tell these uncles and aunts, Manisha, little bit about what you did?
So little bit about what I did, a bit about the background. So I started CIM way back in 2017, right, with the guidance of my mother. And this was all parallel to working. So one main thing about how I balanced is attending to all the lectures and trying my best to follow the time frames and the timetables that the lecturers give you, okay, complete this task during this time. So, and then get the relevant feedback from them on time and do the adjustments. And also discussing with friends was one main thing, meaning obviously not copying, but then trying and improving the areas that needed improvement. And so those were the main, and also having an amazing team of lecturers at Cambridge was also a reason that I was able to do it quite fast.
Thank you very much, Manisha. That was great. I actually know your mom from industry. We used to work on a couple of projects together. She's a very strong lady. In fact, my mom actually pushed me to do CIM as well. So, you know, this is a great gift that you give your mother. So well done, right? Well done. Can we listen to Akif? Akif, 19 years. Wow. Can you tell us?
Hi, sir.
How did you do
yeah,
it?
so thank you so much for this opportunity. I'm so glad. So even I started CIM at the year of 2018 after completing my O-levels and waiting for my results. So at this last session, even I had this issue where I was parallelly working and doing CIM. And even I had this part where even I was planning to drop out a subject and to do it the next session. But then in the final month, like a week before the payment, I didn't know which subject to drop out because like all three subjects were so close to me. And like I thought if I drop it out at this point, then it's going to be what you say, a failure. And like I was like not willing to accept it. So I worked hard, like nights off, and I somehow completed. And thank you for all the support from all the lecturers. Like it was a really, you know, a hard time to go through, but with all the lecturers' support, I was able to get through.
You know, I'm not supposed to tell you all this, right? Because you all are still under 20. But, you know, I don't know whether it's appropriate. But you're 19, you're above 18, okay? You're adults now. You should have a good drink if you are, right? Or do something that you really like, buy something that you really like for yourself, because you've done really well. Well done. We are very proud of you. You are inspiring all of us. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, can you unmute your mics and give these three wonderful people a big round of applause. Wish them all best of luck on their career. Wow, CIM done and dusted at 19 years. Well done, Manisha. Well done, Abdul, and well done, Akif. So thank you very much. We're going to start class now. Thank you, guys. Thank you for joining.
Thank you for the opportunity. Bye.
Thank you.
Congratulations, guys.
Goodbye.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Goodbye.